In my dark times, baby, this is all I could be. And only my mother could love me for me. In my dark times, in my dark times.
Hi, I'm Chief Nick Durzis with the Hoover Police Department. Currently, our country is facing a serious epidemic, and unfortunately, no community is immune. The heroin crisis has become a major issue nationally. Over the past 5 years, the heroin epidemic has grown. In January of 2017 alone, we've had 3 overdoses in our city, resulting in 1 death.
265 southbound, just before 459, adult male unconscious in a black Nissan, police and out.
All heroin is dangerous, but when cut with fentanyl, a synthetic opioid painkiller that is 100 times more potent than morphine, it could kill you within seconds. Fentanyl is often used in heroin because it's so cheap. It's also fast-acting and deadly, even in small amounts.
Strangers have in a desperate land.
In Hoover, our fire department administers Narcan, a life-saving drug to reverse the effects of heroin overdoses. Opioids include heroin and prescription pain pills like morphine, codeine, oxycodone, methadone, and Vicodin. When a person is overdosing on an opioid, breathing slows down dramatically or even stops. I've been calling Narcan the miracle drug for years because it's been a lifesaver for 139 survivors over the past 6 years here in Hoover. In 2016, Alabama was the highest ranked state in our country for prescription opioid use. The footage that you just witnessed was an actual call of a possible DUI and accident on the interstate. When officers arrived, the individual was unresponsive inside the vehicle from a heroin overdose. The victim survived because of the quick actions of the Hoover Fire Department and police departments. Several UAB medical personnel stopped to assist, and 2 doses of the miracle drug, Narcan. The sad reality is that even after experiencing a near-death overdose, most addicts continue to use. I ask, if you have a friend or family member addicted to an opioid, whether it's heroin or prescription painkiller, that you encourage them to please get help. This addiction destroys lives and the families along with it. We have to be proactive and stand together in our fight against these drugs.
Yeah. It's been a ride. I guess I had to go to that place to get to this one. Now some of you might still be in that place. If you're trying to get out, just follow me. I'll get you there.